Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. A few months ago, I fired up this Mozilla WebThings gateway on my Raspberry Pi. Well, I just got this email a while back saying I have to transition from the Mozilla WebThings gateway to WebThingsIO. So I was filled with dread that I'd have to reinstall it and all that. And right now it's the end of the year and we don't need any more new stuff to do. But let's see how that works out. You see, I already have a bunch of WebThings configured. Well, you can go to WebThingsIO and download the new 1.0 version of the WebThings gateway, but the instructions here don't say anything about transitioning from Mozilla to WebThings. So let's read a little bit further down in the email here. And if you click here in that email, it takes you to the instructions for transitioning from Mozilla to WebThingsIO. And it appears to be a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be, thankfully. Yeah, see here, if you have version 1.2, you'll update to 1.0. There's going to be a banner across the top of your WebThings portal. And you just click on Choose, and you're going to land at this interface here. So let's check it out. All right, I'm clicking on Choose. Well, that's it. 3 check boxes and 2 input boxes. I'm going to keep that shotokutech.webthingsio. Let's put in our email address. All right, so we're registering. So this basically makes your WebThings gateway accessible through the internet. Now you're going to sign back into your WebThings gateway using the same password you did before because that's really stored locally on the device. So we're going to go to shotokutech.webthings.io. And like I say, you're going to sign in with the same password that you did while it was Mozilla WebThings Gateway. Okay, we're back and all my things are there. I couldn't be happier about that. Let's check and make sure we have the new version of the WebThings Gateway. I have version 1.0, so we're up to date. So of course, if you're starting from scratch, you can download the version 1.0 and follow these instructions to build your own WebThings gateway. And you might watch my original video because it should be pretty much the same step by step. It's just transitioning from mozilla-iot.org to WebThingsIO. I even got this email from mozilla-iot.org confirming that I transitioned my gateway, so that's very thorough. I really want to thank both Mozilla and WebThingsIO for making this very painless. All right, stay tuned for more. Thank you very much. So make sure to check all the links in the description down below. Please subscribe, check out some of these other videos, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching Shotoku Tech. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share.